Hi friends, today let we see the new problem which is related to the application of the trigonometry. It's very important problem and it's very interesting problem which is related to the air and tree. This is the AB. AB is the ground and the height of the tree like this. D is the point. C is the base of the tree. D is the point from where the tree is broke due to the storm. E is the top point of the tree from it touches the ground at E. Now see, let me see in the another figure how the tree is break. See here. AB is the ground and the how the tree is broken due to the storm. Let me see in the animation by video. Let me see carefully. E is the topmost point of the tree and there is another point from where tree is broken due to the storm. That point is called D. Let me see in the here figure. D is the point from where the tree is broken. Now due to the storm the point E touches to the ground and D is the point from where tree is broken. Now see, let how the tree is broken. See, due to the storm. Now point E is comes and it touches the ground. According to the question, the figure is like this. This is the very easy to understand. First you read the question and E is the point where it touches the ground. Now total we have to find the height of the tree which is DC plus EE because the DC and DE are the two parts of the tree. C is the 8 centimeter and DCE angle is 30 degree. Now DC we have to find and DE we have to find. The sum of the DC and DE is the total length of the tree. According to the question we have to find the length of the tree. By tan E angle E is equal to opposite divided by adjacent tan E opposite divided by adjacent. Tan angle E is 30 degree. Opposite opposite is DC which we have to find it, divided by adjacent is CE. Tan 30 value, tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3 is equal to DC we don't know DC as it is C is the 8 centimeter. Now cross multiply, 8 multiply with 1 and root 3 multiply with DC. 8 into 1 80, 8 into 1 8 and root 3 into DC is root 3 into DC. After transposing it, 8 divided by root 3. This is the DC value. This is a half of the tree or the remaining portion of the tree after the broken. But the broken part is DE. The broken part is DE which we have to find it. Cos E is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos E is equal to, see in the figure, cos E is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos E is 30 degree is equal to adjacent is CE and hypotenuse is DE which is the also the broken part of the tree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to CE. If we have C is 8 and DE which you have to find it, cross multiply it, root 3 into DE, 2 into 8 is 16. Now DE is equal to, after transposing root 3 into that side, 16 divided by root 3, DE is equal to 16 by root 3, but DE is equal to 16 can be written as, let me see, the total height of the tree. The height of the tree is equal to DC plus DE. Both values we already found. DC is 8 plus root 3 8 divided by root 3, 16 divided by root 3. Now take the LCM is root 3. 8 plus 16, 8 plus 16, 8 plus 16 is equal to 24, 24 by root 3. 24 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into, let me see it, 3 into 8, 3 into 24 by root 3 is equal to 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 8 divided by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. Therefore, the total height of the tree is 8 root 3. Total height of the tree is 8 root 3.